If you need money, go and buy these cinnamon sticks. These are cinnamon sticks. Now, there are many ways that you can use this cinnamon stick to achieve money. If you're in the shop, you own a shop, you don't make sales a lot, get these cinnamon sticks, pound it into powder. All right, the powder is equally in the market, but I don't usually advise you that you should buy from market, because the ones they have in the market, you never can tell the kind of energy that it has in them. I always advise that you pound it or grind it and get the powder yourself. Energy matters. Energy matters. All right, so when you get the powder, all you need to do is just drop them around your shop, your premises. You're good to go. You will sell. This cinnamon possesses the energy of prosperity, energy of money. All right, there are other ways you can also inculcate it. For example, maybe you need money for your shop rent. You're not making much sales, and you're about to pay rent maybe in next month. My dear, take one of these sticks, just like you're seeing it in your screen. Just as you're seeing it in your screen, just collect one of this stick like this. Go and get a green marker. Write that exact amount that you need to pay for that shop. Make sure you're writing the exact amount. Don't add to it. Don't remove. Let it be that exact amount that you're supposed to pay for that shop. Write it on this cinnamon stick. And then the other side, write your name in full. Okay? Or you can write your name, your first name in full, and abbreviate the rest. It depends if the stick is much. If it's taller, then you can write all of your name on it. After doing this, after writing your name and the amount, just get a candle, a white candle or a green candle, light it. Get the scissors as a holder, hold the cinnamon, burn it on that candle. Make sure you watch it burn to finish. When it's burning, you be praying. Do you understand? Yes. When it's burning, you be uttering your words of prayer. Money will come your way. That exact amount. This one does wonders. And it doesn't take time before it happens. The money comes within that week. All right. So another way again you can inculcate it into bringing you money is by adding it to your bathing water. Yes, you can actually add the powder to your bathing water. All right, and go and bathe. You can decide to boil it. Take the water, add to your bucket of water, go and bathe with it. You can decide to add a pinch of the powder to your body lotion. You're good to go. You can decide to put it, in an oil. Leave it there to ferment for days. Let's say 7 days. After that, it has become your money oil. When you're going out, apply it in your hand. It also brings you good luck, like money luck when you're going for job interview. Anything that connects with money, you're going for a job, you're going for business deal, apply that oil on in your palm and go. It will be successful. You will be called for that job. Yes. So you can actually break it into pieces. If you want to use it for the money oil, you can break it into pieces. All right, and then do it this way. It works wonders. There are different ways you can do this. You can also put some in your handbag. Yes, there are a lot of them resting in my own handbag. All right, so put some in your handbag and leave them there. If there's money you're expecting, you can use that red marker, write it and drop it in your handbag. You can break it to be flat. You push it inside your wallet or your purse. Let it be close to your ATM or your money. Let it be close to your money. Okay, or you can also get a clean money. Okay, clean money, wrap it neatly and push it. You can see that these cinnamons have holes. You see those holes in there. You can wrap the money tiny and push the money inside the hole. Keep it in your bag or keep it in your window. It will be inviting money. It will be attracting money to your household. So try any of this and get back to me. While on this, don't forget to share my video, like it, and also drop your love. God bless you. Bye bye.